I am Potato. I can make you prettier. I want to turn into the delicious potato pie. The potato removes its peels. It's amazing. The potatoes want to turn into tasty mashed potatoes. Hello, broccoli. I would like to invite some chopped broccoli to turn into potato pie with me. Wow, great! Broccoli can make potato pies more nutritious. Hello, carrots. Do you want to turn into potato pie with me? Yeah! Potato pies will be more nutritious with carrots added. The potato pie looks so adorable. The oven party is starting now. It's time to eat. The potato pie is so delicious. I'm feeling awesome after having potatoes. I am beef. I can make you stronger. Please help me turn into delicious beef dumplings. Hello, Mr. Dough. I would like to invite you to turn into beef dumplings together. Sure, would love to help. Knead the large dough first. turns into small doughs. Hello! We want to turn into beef dumplings. Would you like to join us? Whoa! It's so much fun! We would like to join you. The small doughs are gonna have some nutritious vegetable juice. Wow! The small doughs have changed colors. The small doughs are ready to become dumpling wrappers. Let's start making dumplings. Great! You've made a nice-looking dumpling. The dumplings are ready to go down a slide. It's time to eat. Wow, the beef dumplings taste great. I get to love beef. It's so delicious and nutritious.